How to pin a document on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin any document you want on Microsoft Excel easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Excel. Now choose the document that you want to pin. I'm going to choose this one for example. Now click here on those three dots and choose pin to list. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.